These look foul, so let's address that. Don't worry about contamination. I think it goes without saying, I'm not going to be reusing these pads. Look at that, that's like cheating. I was not expecting that. Oh, good, that's leaking. Well, they had something in them that certainly resembled brake fluid, so that's a good sign. For context, the master cylinders on this car, when I picked it up, the brake fluid had completely evaporated in the master cylinders and turned into dust. They looked like they came from the Titanic. So to see fluid still in here is a nice surprise. Rusty. Oh, that's very stuck. Oh dear. Oh, that's rusty as. Okay, we can't get the pistons to move just yet. Let's maybe see if we can get these seals out and we can soak in there with some penetrating oil.